Okay, these are some more finds that I found in the auction box, along with the other pictures and the silhouettes. Don't really know what to think of this one, because it is a picture, but it's the kind of paper, look at the paper it was done on. And it does say right here, Good Housekeeping magazines. So I don't know if these are rejected prints that was done for the magazine, but the paper is really, really different. Look at that. Different type of paper. So if you know anything about that, please let me know. And of course this one's a baby in a cradle and stuff. Hush-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. And this was the picture. So I don't know why. And it definitely is. I mean, look at the paper that it's on. So it's not magazine paper. It definitely isn't, because, you know, let me make sure I only have one here. See, it's just regular paper. So I don't know if these are original prints that would have gone to printing and didn't make it for the magazine. But if you know anything about this, please leave it in a comment so that we can find out, you know. Curiosity. I don't know. It's kind of just rounded. It's just a kind of paper. It's not magazine paper, and it's not part of a magazine. So, very different. Here's another one, and it says Good Housekeeping on it and stuff. Ah, Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Phil came tumbling after. Oh, that's safe. Oh, maybe that's a J, but it's got the line in it for Phil, but I think it's supposed to be Jill. Jill. There you go. Alright, so look at that one. Again, on this paper and stuff. Very pretty picture. I mean, it's original to what the stories from when we were kids in the magazines and stuff. But you see, it's not part of a magazine. It's all on this paper. Alright. Ooh, look at this one. And a big spider right there. And the web. And the girl. And again, it says Good Housekeeping magazine. But I think it's some that just didn't make it. Look at the paper it's on. Very interesting. Jesse Wilcombe. Just the one who done it. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. So it's definitely goes with the story, but I don't know what these pictures are because of the kind of paper it's on, and it's definitely not, you know, a page from the magazine. So, very nice. I know. And look at this one. I don't remember this one being in any magazine. So these may be the ones that didn't make it. Maybe they're oil paintings. I don't know, maybe. Professional people can look at this. See, it's right on this paper. It's not a, you know, a reprint or whatever. It's definitely right on the paper. But it does says copy to Good Housekeeping magazine, but I don't know. Alright, there was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. Alright. This one has a little bit of water damage there. And what makes me think, we have 5 in all, what makes me think that it is original oil paintings, not only because it's on the same paper, you know, it's not a print, it's not part of a magazine because the back is the same kind of paper. That's because on this one here, you see it was a little stuck to one of the other papers. And here we have Little Bo Peep had lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. So, if you know anything about this or know somebody who does, pass the video along to them. You know, because I'm trying to show that how detailed, you know, it's right on this kind of paper. It's not a print. It's all, you see all the grooves of the paper really nicely here. So everyone can see. And of course the back is the same grooves. And there's nothing written on the backs. Alright. So I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. If you know anything about it or know somebody who knows something about it, pass the video to them. If you know some professionals who'd be able to tell more about this picture, please pass it along so we can find out. Alright, thank you. I'd appreciate it. Alright, bye-bye now.